Welcome to another episode in this tower defense series, where today we're gonna make this 2x button so we can speed up the waves. So let's get started. So what I'll start off by doing is copying our go button. So we now have another one, and let's go to scenes and double click on the canvas so we can see the entire thing. Then let's click on this extra go button, and we will call this one 2x button. Then we'll make it smaller, so we'll set the width to 50 and the height to 50. Then let's set the X position to 130, like this. So now it's over here. Then we can set the go text to be called 2x text and write 2x here and set the font style to 24, like this. Now let's go to script and create a script for this. So I'll right click here and go to create and do a mono behavior script, which I'm gonna call speed up manager. Now open this up. In here we'll delete the start and update function, and then we'll add a public bool called speed up, and then a public void, so a public function called speed up, like this, and we'll actually call it toggle speed up. And in here we'll set speed up to be equal to the opposite of speed up, so we add the exclamation mark. So if it's true it will be false, and if it's false it will be true. And then we'll simply check if speed up, well then we will do time.timescale equals 2, and we'll have an else where we will set time.timescale to 1. And this is how we change the speed of our game. So if it's 2, the time goes twice as fast. Then we also want to add a library, which will be the Unity Engine.ui library, so that under here we can add a public image called button image. And then we will have two colors, so a public color called normal color and a public color called speed up color. And these we will set in here. So in this one down here we will do button image.color equals the normal color, and up here we'll do button image.color equals the speed up color. And this is all we need in here, so we can now head back into Unity. And in here we'll click on our 2x button and then scroll down and drag the speed up manager onto here. And then to set the image right here, we'll just drag the 2x button onto here because this is the image we want to manipulate. Then we'll set the normal color and click on this tool and click over here, so this is the normal color. And then we want a speed up color, we can again click over here, but we'll make it a bit lighter, like so, just a bit. And you can copy these values if you want. Now we'll click on the plus icon over here, so we have this, and then I'll drag the speed up manager onto here and click on no function, speed up manager, and choose toggle speed up. Nice. Now we can hit play, and if we now click on this button, you can see it becomes lighter and it becomes darker. So let's try to hit go, and then let's try to hit the 2x button. And you can see all the enemies goes faster. And also if I add this one, you can see it shoots faster. So I hope you like this very short episode. In tomorrow's episode we will make multiple levels using a main menu. So see you in that episode. And also if you're interested in learning how to make a game in Unity and publish it on the same day, go check out the first link in the description, where I have a community where you will get access to courses, a community, and direct access to ask me any question. So see you in there and have an amazing day.